cutting-edge aerial technicians, both highly skilled and intensely motivated, demonstrating the most advanced and respected air power and support capabilities in the world. A noble symbol of freedom and a serious projection of America's military might. Guardians of a proud tradition first launched more than 50 years ago at the beginning of the jet age. These airmen have transitioned over the decades through an inventory of distinguished military jets and frontline fighters with names that echo down the storied halls of aviation history. Thunderjet, Super Sabre, Thunder Chief, Phantom, Talon, and today, the mighty Fighting Falcon. From their fabled past to their present incarnation, this team is the premier air demonstration squadron of the world's most elite air and space force. They are the best of the best, a squadron of the finest U.S. Air Force professionals, teamed together for the purpose of demonstrating flying skill, raw power, and the ability to achieve uncontested air dominance, anywhere, anytime. They are the United States Air Force Air Demonstration Squadron, and they are known to all the world as the Thunderbirds.
Good afternoon, Robbins Air Force Base. My name is Major Scott Pence, Thunderbird 8, the team's advanced pilot and narrator from Faith, South Dakota. Today, we'll give you a chance to witness the Thunderbird mission, a demonstration of the teamwork, dedication, and professionalism that mirrors that of your Air Force active Guard and Reserve personnel deployed around the globe. It's my pleasure to introduce the demonstration pilots for the 2016 Thunderbird team. Flying Thunderbird 1, the team's commander and leader, lead meaning from Abilene, Lieutenant Colonel Christopher Hammond. Flying the left wing from Colorado Springs, Colorado, Thunderbird 2, Captain Ryan Bodenheimer. Flying the right wing from Fairfax Station, Virginia, Thunderbird 3, Major Alex Goldfein. Flying the slot position from West Point, Nebraska, Thunderbird 4, Major Nick Krychek. Flying the lead solo from Ashburn, Virginia, Thunderbird 5, Major Nicholas Eberling. Flying the opposing solo from Chelmsford, Massachusetts, Thunderbird 6, Major Alex Turner. Our entire team represents the elite airmen who are serving in your United States Air Force each day as we continue to fly, fight, and win in air, space, and cyberspace. Now, let's begin today's flying demonstration.